So we're at Phnom Penh Central Market. Let's go have a look round, shall we? All the usual jewellery, watches, all sorts of stuff. Looking for some food. I'm rather hungry, me. Oh, sorry, darling. No, it's alright, thank you. That's the jewellery. Oh, I suppose it's go up and down, isn't it? I suppose you've got little legs going off here and down the next one, shall we? Looks like a lot of jewellery in here, that's a bit boring. To me, anyway. Food ailments. All sorts of little bits going down here and going down there. What do we do? Go down one? You still want a pair of shoes, don't you? Nice pair of Crocs down here for you. I was going to say I could smell durian. Bloody hell, it stinks. There we are, we found the food then. You can kind of smell it. Yeah. Oh. Oh? No. Mama ain't touching up the ice there, look at him go. Go in here then. No, it's alright, thank you. No, thank you. Well, they certainly got all sorts in here. Hello. No, thank you. Don't want no dried fish, no? Nicky, don't want dried fish for breakfast. Can't imagine why. But I see some little wontons and things over there. Some steamed dumplings and things. One thing, I'm right hungry. Well, I know they've got some steamed dumplings down there we can have a look at later if we're hungry. Well, I'm hungry, but... intestines and snouts. Love it. Love it. So these look like little dumplings and things, don't they? Donuts, I mean. All sorts of dried fish. All the usual sort of stuff, live fish, dried fish, clams, a little crayfish down there. Little crayfish. Oh, all sorts. Squids and prawns, all sorts. Live fish over there. Eels. Yeah. Up in there. Look at the eels in there then. In there, don't they? The big eels and all. Stick your finger in there, I bet when I bite you. Right, well I'm going to stick the camera away in a minute because go on, let's just have a little walk round, shall we? My days. Certainly got some bits in here, haven't they? All kinds of bits. Come on, girl. You mind your fingers. My gosh. We'll be getting out of here in a minute, darling. Some big old prawns down there. Oh. Look at all this dried fish. All kinds of dried fish. Now we've got nuts and spices and things. Yeah, they certainly got all sorts. Done half pen and ink down here, I tell you. Blimey. Well,
Trying to get the drift.
you know what I mean? It just stuck up a bit too much, didn't it? Yeah. Hello, hello. So I don't want one with Cambodia written on it either. They got some fancy jackets, look at them.
Hello, t-shirt, sir.
No, you're alright, thanks. Oh la la, madame. Oh look, some little things like the tuk-tuk we got in Thailand, done it? Yeah, of course they have.
You want something t-shirt, sir?
No, thank you.
Want s'asseoir, genre...
No, sir, pas essentiel.
want something...
I don't want no sin. No, thank you. They've certainly got it all, but they all sell the same stuff, don't they? Hello. No, it's alright, thank you. Yeah, I know. I can look if I want. Yeah, look, little suit for you, babe. Just need to go to a funeral. Hello. Trainers. Yeah. Yeah, I was just looking at them. Oh, I can smell durian. Yeah, I went over there, look, I've got more. Oh dear.
Come back tomorrow and the day after.
Yeah.
Leave that day, don't we?
Yeah, we do. It's always tomorrow, I suppose, but you just buy a pair of socks if you really see something you like. And they might let you try them on, you never know. Over here it might be a bit different. All different t-shirts. It's all knock-off, of course. What colour are they? I thought they were brown. That's the thing, suede, it goes quick, doesn't it? It's hard to clean unless you've got a little suede brush.
Size for you, okay. Yeah, size for you, okay. I have for you. Yeah, size
Sure have. Hello. Pardon? Yeah. You could walk back up there and get an out, I suppose, see if they've got one my size. I'll get her down to 6,000 at least. Yeah, you look there on the old singer sewing machine. And we've got sewing machines down there, little tailors and stuff.
Cái đào nó
Đi lên ấy, đi lên sang xong mới sang sắp qua.
Con tay trong thì ốc của em nó
tập thở càng sâu thì
Anh cho em bẹt này về.
Well, I think I'm going to leave it there, guys. We put the location in the description below. There's loads more at the market, but they all seem to sell the same sort of thing. If you like our videos, please like and subscribe. Might help us make some more in the future. See you later, guys. Wherever you are, take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.